So I've cleaned the female adapter and I've reamed the piece of 3/4 inch type L copper, cleaned the end of it, and I fluxed the female adapter and the piece of pipe. And now I'm about to run some solder around there. The one thing to remember is when you're holding your torch that the cone of the blue flame, the very tip of it, that's where the most amount of heat is, and it'll make your job go a little bit faster and better. When you're soldering a horizontal piece of pipe, it's best to just put the heat underneath. As far as it being 1/2 inch or 3/4 fitting, heat rises and it'll surround the pipe very quickly, heat it up, then you can put a bead of solder on there and away you go. So let's give it a shot and see what happens. And that's all that's to it. One thing about the lead-free solder, it's a little hotter as far as the amount of heat you have to apply to melt the solder, but it runs very well, and that's as simple as it gets right there. Good luck with your project and have a great day.